How to make smart decisions. Everyone makes decisions in personal and professional life. People who are part of top management make smart decisions. If you don't know how to make smart decisions, you may not grow in your career. Managers, top management make decisions on facts and figures. We have developed techniques and concepts which will improve your decision-making skills. Maintain emotions. Multi-criteria decision analysis. Cost-benefit analysis. Brainstorming in meetings. Use your judgment. Maintain emotions. To make wise decision, you need to be in good state of mind and know the art to balance emotions. This is very important in professional life when you are in a decision-making position. You have to analyze the situation and focus on decision-making. If you become depressed, sad or unable to manage emotional balance, you may not be able to make a smart decision. Multi-criteria decision analysis. MCDA focus to evaluate multiple criteria to make the best decision. The evaluation is not just limited to monetary values, but it also evaluates different aspects of a decision. Example, a company wants to select a raw material supplier. Company will evaluate supplier on price, quality of raw material, size of the company, delivery time. Weight importance of the criteria. Price 30%, quality 40%, company size 15%, delivery time 15%. Quality and price are more important to the company. Assign points to the suppliers, according to their profile. Worst, good, best, excellent is the scoring criteria. Supplier A total score equals 130. Supplier B total score equals 290. Supplier C total score equals 230. Supplier B has the most points, even on quality and price, which holds more weightage. Supplier B scores well. Cost-benefit analysis. This is also a decision-making tool which evaluates decision on monetary values. This tool verifies that an investment or a project has more benefits than its cost. Example, a sales manager wanted to participate in an event. In order to generate more sales lead, CEO asked for the cost-benefits analysis for event participation. Sales manager provided below details. Cost of participating in the event, Rs 300,000. Benefits expected from the event, Rs 400,000. 400,000 divided by 300,000 equals 1.33. Company can expect Rs 400,000 benefit from Rs 300,000 cost. On the basis of cost-benefit ratio, which is 1.33, sales manager can convince CEO in decision-making. Brainstorming in meetings. This is the simplest technique, where suggestions from other participants are requested about a particular issue to make a decision. These types of sessions are valuable because other participants suggest comments with respect to their specialized field. Example, a company plans to construct a new manufacturing plant to enhance production capacity. In this case, all departments will be contacted to provide their input. Finance department may advise regarding cash flows, supply chain department may advise regarding purchase of inventory, storage capacity, raw material. All departments will suggest comments according to their requirement. Use your judgment. Some situations require quick decision-making, where you have to use your judgment to make a decision. These types of situation may come during business meeting, when negotiating a contract. You want to close a deal with a customer. Judgmental decisions are made when time is less, and you have to make a decision. If you are a manager, you have to make decisions regularly for smooth operations of the department. Some decisions may require critical analysis, where you have to use your judgment and experience to make a decision. Things to avoid. We have limited knowledge of everything. We can increase our basic knowledge, but we cannot become expert of everything. That is also a reason that organizations hire specialized people. When you are in a decision-making position, you must ensure that you have the basic knowledge and understanding about any issue. If you lack knowledge about any issue or problem, consult with the experts before you take a decision. It may be more time-consuming to consult with experts, but it is always better to consult rather than taking blind decision.